Hey guys, how's it going? And look at this Infinity War haul! Oh my gosh, I'm like super excited. I literally went to Walmart. They were restocking, or not restocking, they were stocking, and they had everything. Literally, they had everything. Like, this is all I could afford to get right now, which makes me so sad. I mean, they had a full case of this guy. I mean, they had all of these guys. I mean, look at this, it's Groot and Rocket, and then the Hulk. I have not even seen that on Instagram. I haven't seen any leaked pictures, and look at that, that's so awesome. And check this out, What? It's so cool. I mean, this is way cheaper than that $100 Legends Gauntlet. I mean, it looks pretty nice to me. I mean, look, it's got a little stone and it lights up. I mean, it's just what? I think they should go well with my Titan Hero Power Effects, Thanos, and Iron Spidey. Their reviews are up here if you haven't seen them yet. But anyways, guys, I just want to do a quick update video of my awesome Infinity War haul. I'm going to be busy making reviews on all of these guys, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see those there. And I mean, I don't even know which one to review first. I mean, it's just so many awesomeness. I think I'm going to go with him first because he's just so cool and I haven't seen him yet, and there's two of them. But if you guys have a suggestion on the order I should review these, drop that in the comments below. Man, this just... look at all this stuff. It's like gold. It's like I found gold or just infinity stones, and that doesn't make any sense. Actually, technically it does, because they're all stones right there. Anyways, guys, it's just been a quick video of my Infinity War haul. More reviews to come. You know it. I'm gonna be busy. I also have 3 tests this week. Oh my god, this is gonna be the roughest week ever, yet the awesomest week ever at the same time too. What? Alright guys, I need to get to work, so peace.